Almost everyone in Malaysia who is using a smartphone today is using WhatsApp, right? Now we no longer use SMS, but you use WhatsApp. But as a business owner, do you know that you can use WhatsApp to create a product or service catalog and to promote to your customers? Now in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can create your product catalog for free inside WhatsApp, as well as how to use it to promote to your customers.
Alright, now you're in my WhatsApp business. So have a look. This is a WhatsApp business. And if you're in the personal WhatsApp, then change it to WhatsApp business. So once you're in the WhatsApp business, click on this three dot on the top right. And you can see this business tools. Click on the business tools. Then choose catalog. So once you are in the catalog, now you can see you can add new item. So let's create one item. Yeah. Click on the add new item, select the image, and make sure the image is in your phone gallery. Okay. Click on the gallery and choose one. Alright. So let's say I want this spaghetti. Now here, and then give your spaghetti a name. Now if you can add a few images, right? So just demo to you, then I just show one, right? So let's say this is white pasta. Okay, then you can put in the price. After that, in the description, write something interesting. Yeah, so like home cooked spaghetti, super delicious, something like that, right? So I'm just demo to you. Now in the more fields, if you have a website, which is highly recommended, but if you have budget constraint, then just leave it for this moment, right? So if you have this, then you can click the link. The customer can go to your website and do payment and so on, right? So now what you do is save. So now one product is done. Let's create another one. Okay. So this time this is like red pasta. Now, give it a good name. I'm just demoing to you, so I just simply put any name. Okay. And here, 9 ringgit. And then description, same thing. So you can put in any description that you want. Alright. The best is to describe your product. Okay. So after that, save. Ta-da! Your menu is done. So your food menu is done. And now what you want to do is that click on the link on the top right here. And then you can see here the HTTPS /WAME. This is your catalog link. So all you need is just click on the copy link. Then you can send this link to your customers. Let me go to my another account and show you how it looks like. Okay, now you're in my another account, right? So when you send to your friends, you will see something like this link, and then they can click view catalog. So then right now I'm inside the catalog that I just created just now. Okay, so you can click on the menu. Let's say I want to order a red pasta. So over here I can add to cart. Now this is a new WhatsApp function. So all you need to do is just click add to cart. Now what if I want to order more plate? You can click a few times, or right, this say here I add to cart twice, or I can go into my cart. I can change this. Let's say I want 5, right? So then I can change 5. Then I want to add more. Let's say I want a white pasta. Then I can add to cart, right? So it's that simple. And after that, once you're done, you just click to the add to cart and then send it. So now because I'm in the customers WhatsApp, so now I send, this is how the customer will send to you, right? So as a customer, I can still see my cart, what I order. Let me take you to the seller WhatsApp and you can see how you will receive this order. Alright, so now this is on the seller account, yeah, the seller WhatsApp account. Then this is what the customers, right, orders, okay? So here you can see view cart, then you can see what my customer is ordering. 5 red pasta and 1 white pasta. Then you can message them to confirm, take their address, want to have payment, then make arrangement with him. That's all. Yeah, it's that simple how you can create your own food ordering system within WhatsApp itself.
Isn't that great? Now that you know how to use the WhatsApp catalog, how to create it, as well as how to promote or send it to your customers, so start using it to help you bring in more sales or customers through WhatsApp. Now what you can do is rewatch the video, and if you need to pause, just pause it, follow my step by step, and then you will be able to create your WhatsApp business catalog. Now this business catalog has helped me save a lot of my time because I just need to use a few clicks to send my products or service catalog to my customers, and it is super useful. Try it yourself. I'm Andrew, and I create business tips every week to help small business owners to grow their business online. If you're not subscribed to this channel, do click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish, you will be notified. And meanwhile, here's some of the videos that were created to help you grow your business online. And I'll see you real soon in my next video.